Baby Biz.
Let's learn together. Can you learn with me?
Opposites attract, big and small. Big, big elephant, small, small mouse. Tall and short, tall, tall tree. Short, short house. Wet and dry, take a bath wet and then dry. Bright and dark, daytime is bright, nighttime is dark. Hot and cold, hot, hot sun. Cold, cold ice, hard and soft. Hard, hard mountain, soft, soft rice. Open and close, open the door, close it now. Up and down, up in the sky, down on the ground. Fast and slow, fast like a cheetah, slow like a snail, float and fail. A boat can float, but rocks will fail. Happy and sad, laugh when you're happy, cry when you're sad. Opposites make learning fun, and we're so glad.